In our ever-evolving digital world, establishing a connection with customers through a digital interface is paramount. The challenge? How can we reach your ideal customer and prompt them to download and use your mobile app? That's where Awlogy comes in. We execute a holistic, end-to-end paid advertising strategy that puts your ads everywhere to build customer exposure and increase app downloads. With Awlogy's adaptive trading model, our system uses humans plus machines to actively manage and optimize your ads to be seen by your ideal customer in multiple digital and physical environments. Chevron's reach isn't confined to just one device. Awlogy expands your ad campaign's visibility across all devices, including mobile, tablets, desktops, CTV, and outdoor billboards. And across a wide spectrum of media channels, including social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Premium online media publishers, mobile apps, and streaming TVs like Roku, Fire TV, and Hulu. With all of these media channels, the Chevron and Texaco Rewards program has reached over 6.5 million individuals across key markets: Las Vegas, Miami, California, Oregon, Washington, Alaska, Arizona, Utah, Idaho, and New Mexico. As a result, Awlogy's adaptive trading model has delivered 1.3 million Chevron app downloads thus far. Awlogy is looking forward to helping drive the ongoing success of the Chevron and Texaco Rewards program in 2024 and the years to follow.